Hey everybody, this is Kim Siever with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. I've heard some people confusing the words definitely and defiantly. Here's the difference between the two. Definitely refers to having no doubt or having certainty. It's based on the word definite. I will definitely eat all this ice cream before I go to bed. Defiantly, on the other hand, refers to being bold or resistant. It's based on the word defy. I defiantly touched the hot stove even though you told me not to. Another common misspelling of definitely is definitely. Definately. This isn't like the confusion of definitely and defiantly, which are two different but actual words. Definitely, with an A, is simply a misspelling of definitely, with an I. Which words do you confuse? Let me know in the comments below. You can visit me online at hotpepper.ca or follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and LinkedIn.